I'm Jackie from J&J Systems. Our professional team brings you efficiency for your technology systems, computers, networks, printers and phones, making IT work for your business. For 20 years, we've provided Kent businesses with efficient support for their systems, helping with every aspect of IT. Having a secure, smooth and stable computer system keeps your staff and ultimately your company working at its optimum. That's our job, to manage your IT systems, keeping them patched, protected, secure and serviced. Imagine a world where you get on with your job and leave your IT to work for your business. Straightforward, plain talking advice and help from simple issues to the more complex matters of larger systems. We can give you the benefit of wide experience across businesses in all walks of industry with professional, personal and practical assistance with your systems. Pick and mix your service needs to our packages. Ultimately, we want to give your business the benefit of one supplier, one contact point, one management team working for your business with your best interests at heart. For more information, please visit our website jjsystems.co.uk, give us a call on 01227 371 375 or check us out on Facebook and Twitter.